We love our pets. They're part of our family. We don't compromise when it comes to their health because they trust us to do what's best for them. What may start with some heavy breathing and fatigue after playtime can soon become more serious coughing or wheezing. These are symptoms of asthma or bronchitis that should not be ignored. Trudell Animal Health has created the AeroKat, AeroDawg, and AeroHippus chambers to help improve the quality of life of pets with respiratory conditions by delivering medication safely where it's needed, in the lungs. Asthma is a lifetime condition that can significantly decrease your pet's activity and well-being by restricting their ability to breathe. Asthma causes inflammation in the lungs that triggers the linings of the airways to swell and produce excess mucus. This narrows and clogs their airways, leading to increasingly severe coughing, wheezing, and breathing difficulties. Left untreated, your pet may be at increased risk of a life-threatening asthma attack. This is when the muscles in the inflamed airways constrict, squeezing the bronchi and dangerously blocking airflow. For pets with bronchitis, their airways may have inflammation without major symptoms. If this hidden inflammation is not well managed, it can lead to permanent lung damage, making breathing more difficult over their entire life and potentially increasing the rate of disease progression. This is why it's important to manage your pet's lung health early and regularly. Effective treatments that are safe and easy to administer, like inhaled medications, can help them stay happy, playful, and live a normal life. Unfortunately, respiratory diseases in pets are sometimes treated with systemic steroids that can have many unwanted side effects. Systemic steroids are medications taken in a pill or by injection that get metabolized and spread throughout the entire body. These drugs must be given in higher doses to ensure some reaches the lungs. However, once in the bloodstream, systemic steroids can impact other organs, leading to serious complications. Because of those side effects, long-term use of systemic steroids is not recommended. Systemic steroids can take away your pet's energy and desire to play, while causing anxiety and aggression, as well as severe health conditions like obesity, increased blood pressure, and poor wound healing. Loss of house training from increased thirst and reduced bladder control can be common. Systemic steroids can also make your pet more vulnerable to infections and at risk of developing health conditions like diabetes and Cushing's syndrome. Asthma and bronchitis require a lifetime of care. Unfortunately, regular use of systemic medications can halt play, harm health, and change the personality of your friend. Thankfully, safer treatment options like inhaled steroids administered through the AeroKat or AeroDawg chambers exist. The AeroKat and AeroDawg help deliver veterinarian-prescribed metered dose inhaler medication directly to your pet's lungs to treat asthma and bronchitis at the source. By targeting the medication to the lungs, inhaled steroids don't spread throughout the body like pills or injections and can achieve disease control with 25 times less steroids. They are safe and effective for both seasonal and lifetime treatments. Inhaled medications are the gold standard delivery method for children and adults with asthma. Now you can manage your pet's respiratory condition using the same preferred delivery method recommended in people. Our pet-optimized chambers make inhaled medications easy to administer. With no needles, force feeding, or hiding pills in food, pet parents rate using inhalers as easier to administer than systemic steroids. With inhaler training also comes empowerment to treat coughing attacks at home. In emergencies, you can administer a rescue inhaler that helps relax the muscles in the airways to help stop the coughing and potentially prevent a visit to your vet. And with our new animal behaviorist developed training program, you can be confident any pet can learn. Made in Canada with Canadian and American parts, the AeroKat and AeroDawg chambers are specifically designed to meet the needs of animals. The masks are soft and pebbled, so they don't stick in your pet's fur, for better comfort and easier administration. And the valves are sensitive to help optimize dose per breath for even small pets in respiratory distress. The AeroKat and AeroDawg chambers are shown to make more medication available than other devices and hold the medication longer to give your pet more time to inhale, which helps provide greater dose assurance and less drug waste. Our FlowView inhalation indicator helps give your pet a voice in therapy by providing feedback of proper use, so you can easily count breaths and ensure mask fit. Thankfully, inhaled medications are available as a safer therapy for your pet's asthma and bronchitis. Give them the best care, just like any member of the family. Help your pet live a healthy and happy life. Talk to your vet about inhalers and AeroKat and AeroDawg chambers.